These are herbs. This is basil, this is stevia, this is sage and lemon balm. As soon as your herb really gets to half of mature height, then you're going to want to start to use it. You should never let it get to full size. You don't want herbs to come into flower. You want them to stay green. You want to use them because their flavor profile completely changes the minute they start to go into flower. Then you're going to cut it back and get those flower buds and the seed heads off. Sage is going to be the same. You're just going to go in and take off everything that has a bud to it. I'd probably wait and try it, taste it, see how it tastes, see if you can use this before you cut it.